Serious ang sabi nila, pero sa batas ko, pero serious.
Final answer po.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pre.
Nice.
Tayo sa next question or okay, kunin nyo na.
Palag po, palag.
Dalawang beses na yan!
50 pesos. Anong pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas?
Kalabaw.
Oh my God!
Last question, 100.
Ano guys? Tingin ko mahirap yung last question eh.
Last question po. For the last question, for 100 pesos, ano ang kabisera ng Pilipinas?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they live in you.
Final answer. Panalo. Galing po, thank you po.
Thank you so much.